My name is I'm working as the Livelihoods and Environmental Sustainability Manager. This year, the sector have been able to achieve a lot of things. To mention but a few, established 217 savings for transformation groups that have been able to reach out to children of more than 2,000. We have also been able to establish the shade nets, 100 shade nets that we want to address issues around climate smart agriculture, and provided the beehives to sustain the livelihoods of our people. To build the adaptive capacity of our communities, they've been supported with more than 2,000 seats and the indigenous chickens.
Hi, I'm Motlatsi Daga, the CSP Technical Program Manager for World Vision Lesotho. Our key achievements for this financial year is that we have been able to establish and support the community child protection teams, about 11 in our area programs, and they are operating in our area councils where we are working. We are capacitated around 134 faith leaders on ending violence against children. So we also supported the Ministry of Social Development in popularizing the child helpline services, and so far we have also established around 57 signboards across the country on child helpline services, and we supported the ministry in the establishment of the national reporting and referral pathways. 3,000 copies printed so far and distributed nationwide. So we are also supporting our adolescent programming, and we have reached around 13,000 adolescents on our interventions, including how to be safe online. We continue to uplift and strengthen the participation of children on issues that affect them. So our children are participating in national issues such as Children's Parliament and African committees where children are able to voice out their issues, and other internal child participation where children are meeting our SLT in order to ensure they have a voice in decision making. So far we have established around 4 community child-friendly spaces and 6 at the justice sector, where we are making our child protection units more child-friendly for children to report and feel safe when they go to the justice sector.
I'm Kabelo Tsitsana, the Vice Technical Program Manager for World Vision Lesotho. In this FY24, we're able to construct 22 water systems for communities and schools, reaching over 25,000 people in our communities, including school children. Also, we're able to support households with basic sanitation facilities, where we supported 386 families with access to latrines, and also again we're able to scale up our hand hygiene promotion in schools, where we supported 52 schools with hand washing facilities. And lastly, in terms of addressing issues on climate change, we partnered with UNICEF, where we're able to support 350 households with rainwater harvesting systems.
My name is Mbai Kutswa. I am Health, HIV and Nutrition Technical Program Manager. For this FY24, we supported 115 outreaches across 19 health centers, whereby we have reached 6,061 under 5 children with services such as immunization, vitamin A, deworming, and cough monitoring. We also established and supported 89 nutrition clubs across all our AP, whereby we are capacitating caregivers with infant and young child feeding, and we managed to reach 565 caregivers. We also supported our facilities to provide sexual and reproductive health education, and we reached 286 adolescents.
Hello everyone, I'm Mamako Belebeko, the project coordinator for ECHO. For FY24, we developed 89 community disaster preparedness plans, where communities were identifying their hazards and mitigation strategies thereof. We also used the drone technology and GIS technology for risk and hazard mapping. Thirdly, we topped up warehouses throughout the 10 districts with NFIs that we used to respond to over 77 households. Third, we had 2 campaigns for education in emergencies in 2 districts. And third, we decentralized the cargo containers in 4 districts so that they are more accessible in the communities when responding with NFIs.
Hello everyone, I am Ruth Malebo. I am a project officer for the PPHR project. In FY24 we managed to have a training for victims of trafficking in collaboration with Beautiful Dream Society. We also got the support of F&D with the Empowered Worldview model, where they were building capacity for victims of trafficking during this training, where they were also being prepared to be able to roll out their income generating activities. So in total, we managed to train 30 victims of trafficking, 26 were females and 4 were males. After the training, we have been able to procure income generating activities for 19 victims of trafficking.
I need help. My name is Mohau Mweke, Faith and Development Manager for World Vision Lesotho. FY24, we have seen the goodness of the Lord through over 95,000 being reached of children in spiritual nature for children, for them to continue to experience the love of God. At least 3 million has been raised, 3 million malut has been raised in collaboration with grants acquisition and the F&D to continue to support the most vulnerable. That's how the Faith Partnership for ESCA project was born, and through the project we have reached over 1,000 people through climate action awareness, and also we have seen at least 120 households begin to practice climate smart agriculture at household level to support nutrition outcomes. We are grateful that over 800 faith actors are currently participating in programming that contributes to child well-being, and we want to thank our partners. We know as an organization that we are partners, and this year we celebrate the amazing work that the organization has done.
For in him all things were created, things in heaven and on earth, visible and invisible, whether thrones or powers or rulers or authorities. All things have been created through him and for him. He is before all things, and in him all things hold together. Christ at the center at all times. Amen.